It's time for another episode of Caleb's World. Ready, set, go. Caleb. Wait.
Yeah, it's getting cold.
That's because you've been out of this is your first time getting in. Okay, stay there, Caleb. Yeah. Stay there. Look at me. Here come the water. Here come the water. Here come the water. Woo! Keep your mouth closed. Come on. Whoa. Bounce. 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 Yay! Going down. Here we go. Put him in your lap. There you go, like that. There you go. Here we go. Whoa! Good job. Come on. Perfect. Uh-oh. Caleb, you ready? Tisha, you ready? Okay. Here we go. I know. Now that was a good one. That was a good one. That was a good one. The end. If you enjoy videos like this from Caleb's World, please subscribe now.